Okay, good morning everyone. Now, today we start our next class of determiners. In previous class we discussed the definition of determiners, meaning of determiners and their kinds also. There are 6 kinds of determiners, everyone know. So, in last class we will discuss determiners kinds and determiners meaning. Now, today we will discuss one by one part which we will discuss in last class. So, what is first part of determiners? First kind of determiners is articles. First kind is what? Articles. Okay. Now, first of all, what are articles and where we use articles? So, uses of articles, first of all, articles are which we placed, articles are what? In article, this is the meaning of or use of article. An article is placed, an article is placed before, an article is placed before noun. Okay. We all know that article also placed before a noun. Before noun. Now, article if there is adjective before, if there is adjective before noun, then we put article before an adjective. This is the meaning of article. An article is placed before noun. Article हम कब कहाँ put करेंगे? Before noun. Everyone know. Because when we talk about the determiners, determiner meaning what? Which identify or specify or clarify a noun. So, there we talk about noun also. So, what is articles? Articles are what? An article is placed before noun. Okay. So, article is placed before noun. Suppose if there is adjective before noun, अगर आर्टिकल से पहले, अगर आर्टिकल की जगह if in place of noun, if there is adjective before noun, then we put article before an adjective. अगर नाउन से पहले अगर एडजेक्टिव है तो हम वहाँ भी अपना आर्टिकल ए एंड दामे से पुट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दी आर्टिकल्स. नाउ articles divided into two parts. One is definite article. One is definite article. First is, and another one is indefinite article. Another one is indefinite article. Clear? So, there are two kinds of articles. One is definite article and another one is indefinite article. Now, what we consist in definite article? The is definite article, but a or an is indefinite article. The is definite article and a or an is indefinite article. Clear? One more article is also there. This we talk later on. That is separate topic of article, that is called omission of article. It means cross article, where we put cross. Okay, where we don't use these three articles, where we put cross. So this also I tell you later on. But the most important are these two, definite article or indefinite article. Definite article means which points out a particular person, place or thing. When we point out a particular person, place or thing. Then we use this definite article, means this the. Okay, like the Taj Mahal, the sun, the moon. When we talk about particular thing, okay, जब हम किसी particular person, place और thing के बारे में बात करेंगे तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? द यूज करेंगे. And where we use indefinite article, when we don't know about that particular person, place और thing. जब हमें किसी particular thing के बारे में नहीं पता, person के बारे में नहीं पता और place के बारे में नहीं पता, when we don't know about the particular person, place or thing, then we use a or an. Is that clear? So this is the use of definite, this is the definite article and this is the indefinite article. The is definite and a or an is indefinite article. So I think you all understand these two meanings. This also third one is omission of article, that cross article. I tell you where we use cross article later on. First of all we discuss these two articles, okay, very important topic is this. So you all listen carefully also and write down in proper manner in your notebook, grammar notebook. Clear? Now we talk about the first is our definite article. Now, first is our definite article. What is the meaning of definite article? Definite article is what? The. It generally points out. It generally points out a person, place or thing. Okay, it generally point out a person, place or thing. Means when we know about that person, when we know about that place, when we know about that thing. Okay, so it generally points out a person, place or thing. So now next one is what? This is definite article. Now write down the uses of now next is what? Indefinite article. Indefinite article. Indefinite is a or n. It means it generally does not point out a particular word. Also write down here, I forget to write particular. It generally does not point out a particular person, place or thing. So this is called indefinite article. So this is the small meaning or small definition of the definite or indefinite article. So you all write down this definition also. User means definition of definite article and definition of indefinite article. Write down. Means it generally points out a particular person, place or thing, but in A or N case, it generally does not point out a particular person, place or thing. Now next one is what? Now we understand the uses. Where we use A or N, where we use the. Now, first of all, use of A or N. Now, first point, we use A and N before countables in singular number. Countables in singular number. Okay. So like for example, an uncle, a chair, this is singular but this is countable. Okay. A train. Okay, these are the examples of some examples of a train, an uncle, a chair, a train, a table, an umbrella. So these are the examples of A or N. Now second use of A or N is what? Write down second use of also. Now where we use A we use before consonant. A we use before consonant sound. While N we use before vowel sound. This is very important. This is very important topic. Now everyone know there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and remaining 21 are consonants. 21 consonants. Clear? So these are the vowels, these are the consonants. Now most probably students do mistake. What they do कि यहाँ पे वॉवल साउंड है तो मैम ने वॉवल बताया है तो हमें जहाँ भी ए ई आई ओ यू से स्टार्ट हो रहा है वर्ड वहाँ पे एन लगाना है. सो दिस इज द रॉन्ग मेथड. ओके. व्हाट वी सी इन आर्टिकल in use of A or N, what we see use of sound. We see the sound. उसका साउंड वोवल निकल रहा है या नहीं, उसका साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट निकल रहा है या नहीं. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी हेयर. ओके. A like university. I write here university. So what is this? Here it is vowel. U is vowel because this consists in 5 vowels. So what is this? U is vowel. So some students do mistake and what they put? They put N here. But that is what they put N here. But that is absolutely wrong. What is the correct meaning? A university. Because its sound is consonant. U. In Hindi we can write this U. तो इसका साउंड क्या निकल रहा है? इसका साउंड तो कॉन्सोनेंट निकल रहा है ना, यू निकल रहा है. ओके. ए ई आई ओ यू. तो यू साउंड अगर निकल रहा है हमको वर्ड्स को नहीं देखना. व्हाट वी सी साउंड हियर. यूनिवर्सिटी. So what is the correct answer? A university. Clear? Next, same example. Honorable. What we call this? Honorable. Its pronunciation is what? O. Honorable. Okay. This H is silent. But what some students did mistake? They see H and put A here. What they see? कुछ स्टूडेंट्स क्या करते हैं? H देखते हैं और कॉन्सोनेंट देखा कि कॉन्सोनेंट है H तो, और यहाँ क्या लगा देते हैं? A. बट दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग, क्योंकि हमको क्या देखना है, व्हाट वी सी साउंड ओनली. तो व्हाट इज द साउंड ऑफ दिस? ओ ओ ओ. सो एन honorable. So I think an honorable. So this difference I think clear to you all. What is the difference between A and what is the difference between N? And what we see in overall, we see consonant sound or vowel sound. We see the sound only, don't see their words. Okay, what we see? Sound, not see, don't see their words. हमको साउंड को देखना है कि साउंड अगर कॉन्सोनेंट निकल रहा है तो हमको ए पुट करना है, और इफ देयर इज वोवल साउंड देन वी पुट एन देयर. सो दिस इज द मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन द ए और एन. सो आई थिंक एवरीवन अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग बिटवीन डिफरेंस बिटवीन ए और एन. Now write down more like a European. A European. Here also sound is what? Yo. यू का साउंड निकल रहा है, बट वर्ड क्या है यहाँ? वोवल वर्ड है, बट साउंड इज व्हाट? यू. सो व्हाट वी डू? वी पुट ए हियर. ओके. एग्जांपल लाइक ए लेक्चर. Okay, a ball. Write down some examples of this. A building, a pen, a chair, a table. And note down one more example of this A. Write down. Like this is a pen, this is a pen. So we point out something. On the basis of determiners, what we do? We point out something and we use our article also. So this is a pen. Okay. Now a boy is walking on the bridge. A boy is walking on the bridge. On the bridge. So here A is article, is what? A is article and a boy is noun. So this way we use article before a noun. Here A is article and this pen is what? This pen is thing. So this pen is noun. So this way we use A or N. Clear? So these are some examples of use of A. Now write down another one, that is N. Okay. So this is A use of A. Now next one we talk about the N. So write erase this. Now first of all expressions, where we use more, we use now. Listen, with some following expressions also, with some following expressions we use A. Okay, like with like a pity. What from like a pity? How? What a pretty dress it is. Okay. Now what a pretty dress it is. Now next a noise. So here we use a. Now don't make a noise. These are the some expressions by which we use a only. Okay, like a shame. A shame. What a shame. What a shame. So these, with some following expressions, we use only this a only. Okay, like write down in a low voice, in a low voice, in a hurry, in a hurry, in a hurry, a pleasure, a pleasure, a pleasure, in a loud voice, in a loud voice, etc. These are the following expressions. These are the some expressions by which we only use a. These are the some expressions by which we only use a. Okay. So these are the important. So this with these expressions only we use a. Clear? So this is all about the use of a. Now next we discuss about the use of n. Everyone note down this. Now next we talk about the use of n. Examples of n. Now use of n. In we use with use with n. We use with vowel sound. Vowel sound. Write down some examples of this, like an honest man, an umbrella, an apple, an MA. Now MA, here our word is consonant. Our word is what? Consonant, but sound is what? M. Sound is what? M. So what we use? So what we use here? N. Clear? Our sound is what? Like an instrument. Our sound is what? E. Instrument. Umbrella. Sound is what? Honest. H is silent. And sound is what? Honest. An honest man. Clear? An apple. Apple. An MA. So what? Word is consonant, but our sound is what? M. Okay? An instrument. What is this? An instrument. Our sound is what? I. E. An instrument. So this is all about the use of n. Clear? Now the use of a and n, I think you all understand clearly, and this is all about the use of a or n. Okay, and we use with countables or with the singular number. Okay, so what a now this is all about the a or n. Now use of the we will discuss in next class. Okay, so up to today, so use of the we will discuss in next class. For today I think this is more than sufficient. means use of a and n is, I think everyone clear. So write it down all uses or all thing in fair notebook. Now in next class we will discuss the rest of the kinds of determiners, means rest of the part of the determiners, and use of the is big. So this consists one class. So we will discuss in next class the use of the. So thank you and have a nice day.